Hello, I'm Chris from Hills Residential in Swinton, and I'm at Pensby Close in Pendlebury in Swinton. This is a chain-free 4-bedroom detached family home situated at the head of a quiet cul-de-sac. To the front we have off-road parking for multiple cars, and heading inside now, let me show you around. So we enter the property through a porch, and the previous owners of this property have opened it up somewhat downstairs, making it really open plan with a modern layout. On my left here are storage cupboards for shoes and coats and the like. There's also an alarm on the property, and entering through this really good sized modern fitted kitchen. Boiler is tucked away in this cupboard. It's a gas combi boiler. And moving forward now into one of the 2 reception rooms downstairs. There's actually also a second entrance to the front of the property here. And this has been used as a storage cupboard, but of course the door could be blocked up, or in fact you could even add a hallway here and use it as a second entrance, potentially heading through into this small utility area. Plumbing here for washing machine and dryer, storage, and a downstairs fitted shower room. Also just here is what would be bedroom number 4. It's a good sized single bedroom, or potentially a small double bedroom. Could also be used as another reception room, playroom, office, etc. To the rear, we have a really good sized garden. The garden is south facing, obviously tiered. We have a paved seating area outside, and also a large garage. Ample space in here for 1, if not 2 cars, and double doors to the front. Heading up the garden now. To the left we actually have quite a large workshop, access just down the side here, and the workshop features power and lighting. And if I just take you further up the garden, you'll be able to see the full extent. Quite a large extension to the side and rear of this property, and of course that large garage as well. Garden extends right to the fence at the top there, through these trees to my left, and also these ones to my right. Quite a large mature garden, quite private as well. So we'll head back inside the property now. Back through the kitchen, and in fact we have also a second reception room, offering further space for the family. French doors to the rear there, and the window to the front. This is just storage, again useful for coats, hoover, etc. And I'll take you upstairs. Brand new carpets throughout in this house as well. So on my right is what would be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms up here. It has been used as an office in the past. This is not fitted and could easily be removed, but the bedroom will easily accommodate a single bed across the width, all lengthways. Across the hallway, first of all a storage cupboard again, for bedding and towels and the like, and then also the family bathroom. Featuring a shower over the bath. To my right is a double-sized bedroom overlooking the back garden, and there's also space in this bedroom for a wardrobe in this alcove behind the door. Across the landing on my left is what would be the master bedroom. This is a reasonable sized double bedroom with large modern fitted wardrobes. These are all in great condition. Loads of storage space, and it also features a small ensuite as well. Nice modern bathroom suite, and also thermostatic shower. Again, this bedroom overlooks the gardens to the rear and the workshop. So this is Pensby Close, Pendlebury, Swinton. Chain free, 4-bedroom detached family home.